Yes, girl. Curtain bangs are so in right now. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is curtain bangs 2 ways. So, curtain bangs super in right now. Everybody's rocking them. It's kind of like this 70s throwback Farrah thing happening, and I'm here for it. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday with my own brand of beauty nonsense. So if you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, and let's get into it. So we're gonna do this 2 different ways. Because you're gonna cut your own bangs, you're gonna cut your friend's bangs. So let's just cover all of it. First things you're gonna need, you're definitely gonna need some scissors. You're gonna need some duckbills too. And gonna need a comb, gonna need a straight cutting comb. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start on our friends. Practice on your friends before you do your own bangs. Okay, so we're gonna section. How do we section? Take your comb. It's flat, it's straight. Right there on the top of the head. Where the comb separates from the hair, where this hollow is, that's the highest point of the head. So that's where our bangs are gonna start, is right there. Okay, this is point A. Point B is gonna be the arch of the eyebrow. So right from there, boom, straight down into the arch of the eyebrow. You know what, let me, you can do this wet, you can do this dry. I'm gonna do this wet just to show you the sectioning. Get it nice and clean. Spray all your friends in the face. Have a little water bottle fight. Great. Yeah, girl, you need these bags. It's time for some of this hair to go. Okay. Straight on forward. Point A, down to point B. We can take a little more. There we go. Boom. Take that right there. We can always add more into this framing section, but it's always better to start with less. Why? Ooh, can always take more off. It's a little more difficult to put more on. Nice, clean. Boom. There we go. There's our first section. Grab your duckbill. Get that out of the way. Okay, back to point A. We're gonna go to point C. Point C, other arch of the eye. You're falling apart on me, girl. I think it's time for a new mannequin head. So right on down. Other duckbill. Okay, and now what we have is this great little triangle section right up front. Cool, so take all that down, taking it forward. Now we're gonna need both hands. Comb it down. Okay, comb it right on down. We're gonna decide where our shortest point in the bang is gonna be. I'm gonna take it right below her nose. So I'm gonna do this 2 different ways. Comb down. Boop. Point. I'm pointing at the nose with this section. Boop. Ooh. So what it does when we turn the section, we're over directing these 2 points. Over direction saves length. It's great. So now we've got our section down here. Grab the scissors. Get it in my hand. Okay, and I'm gonna cut like a little semicircle here, okay? I'm gonna leave it nice and long over here. Boom, 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 boom. What I've essentially got here is like this little mermaid tail. It's the start of your curtain bangs. Then what I would do is get it back into where I want it to fall. Now I'm gonna give it a little texture. So I'm point cutting. And ta-da! Curtain bangs. Now the other way to do this is to leave it in its free fall, in its natural fall. Decide on your shortest length, and you're gonna take the tiniest little section just right up front on the hairline. I'm gonna land this right above the nose this time. I'm gonna cut a little arrow. And this becomes my guide. Okay? Shortest point. Comb that aside, comb that aside. And then I'm gonna take this side, right from my guide, decide how long I want it. I'm gonna comb it out. I'm gonna turn my hand, I'm gonna elevate, I'm gonna slightly over direct. Thusly. And point cut again on this like angle. So now we're gonna dry her. I'm gonna do this off camera. Be right back. Okay, she's all dried out. We've got these lovely bangs. So now we can go in and we can add more texture. Just comb down. And again, just point cut. The deeper you go with the point cut, like the more texture you're gonna get there in the ends. Cute, and then you can come into your sides, same kind of deal. You can work these bangs into longer framed pieces that are gonna like hang down when you do the ponytail. You can give it a little, same kind of deal. Just comb it down, overextend. Boom. What are you, renegade hair? Bye. Ta-da. Ta-da. I mean, could get fancy, could give it a little extra movement. Cute. I'm just moving the hair away from the face. Little diagonal sections. Voila! Curtain bangs on your friend for every occasion. Yeah. Now, you're ready to cut your own bangs. I don't have bags. I do. I have little baby bangs. So let me get creative for you real quick. Movie magic. All right. Now we're gonna cut our own bangs. My fake bangs. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be absolutely hilarious. So, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna comb it straight on down. Straight on down. I'm gonna do this dry. Pointing at my nose. And ta-da! There we go. We are twisted. So, same kind of deal. Create our little mermaid's tail. Mermaid's tail. Let her go. And if I had more hair, you'd be able to see this a lot easier. Ta-da! You get curtain. Well, hang on, let me write that down. You should get curtain bangs. That's the shape. So if you want to do it on yourself, just create your little mermaid's tail. That's it. That's it. You can go back in. You can dry cut this for texture. Same deal. Point cut. It's easy. So that's it. That's how you're gonna cut your curtain bangs on yourself. Hopefully in your real bangs or on a wig. Either one works. Oh, I could make a little pin in bang section with this now. Bangs. And how to cut the curtain bangs on your friends. Easy peasy. You could even do this with a razor, feather razor. You could just as easily go in, establish your shortest point. I like razor cutting because it kind of eliminates a lot of that texturizing after the fact. You would just take your shortest point and boom, 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 boom. And you're already gonna have the texture. And it's the same thing. Just establish your guide, you know, over direct, connect your points. And there's that texture. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy peasy. So, everybody, go out and get your curtain bangs, or stay home and get your curtain bangs. And thank you so much for joining me today for this banging video. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, subscribe, share it all around. You can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and find yourself in the New York City area, go ahead and book your appointment for the Kissing Booth. We're a full-service, fully licensed salon. Yeah, it's been an interesting year. I'll tell you guys all about it sometime. In any case, until next Tuesday, give your hair a kiss.